Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And guys, today it's going to be a song, music video reaction. Now this has also been like there in my reaction list for a long time. I will be reacting to the Boat song by Agam. Now I have already reacted to one of their songs, Mist of Capricorn. I had loved it. It was such a different kind of song and I've never listened to something like that. So I have very high expectations from this one as well. Now I had found two videos. One was their live performance, but that was like a 15-minute long video, and this is what I'm going to be reacting to right now is the original song. I think this is also pretty long. It's like almost a 7-minute video. So I was wondering if I should first perform to the live one or this one, but I chose that. I thought that okay, let me just perform to the official video first, then maybe later I could do the live performance reaction. So yes guys, let's react to the Boat song by Agam. Okay. So different from Mist of Capricorn. Already intrigued.
പാതിരാപ്പൂ വേണം ആതിരാരാവ് വേണം പാതിരാപ്പൂ വേണം ആതിരാരാവ് വേണം പാടിക്കളിക്കുവാനായി ആണിമാർ വേണം വേണം തോണികളായിരമായിരം വേണം കായലിലോളം തുള്ളുമ്പോൾ പാതിരാപ്പൂ വേണം ആതിരാരാവ് വേണം പാതിരാപ്പൂ വേണം ആതിരാരാവ് വേണം പാടിക്കളിക്കുവാനായി ആണിമാർ വേണം തുഴക്കാരമ്പതു വേണം തോണികളായിരമായിരം വേണം കായലിലോളം തുള്ളും തിത്തിത്താറാ തിത്തിത്തൈ തിത്തൈ തകടൈ നെയ്തോ തിത്തിത്താറാ തിത്തിത്തൈ തിത്തൈ തകടൈ നെയ്തോ തിത്തിത്താറാ തിത്തിത്തൈ തിത്തൈ
Voice is so powerful.
തിത്തിത്താറാ തിത്തിത്തൈ തിത്തൈ തകടൈ നെയ്തോ പാതിരാപ്പൂ വേണം ആതിരാരാവ് വേണം പാതിരാപ്പൂ വേണം ആതിരാരാവ് വേണം പാടിക്കളിക്കുവാനായി ആണിമാർ വേണം തുഴക്കാരമ്പതു വേണം തോണികളായിരമായിരം വേണം കായലിലോളം തുള്ളും തിത്തിത്താറാ തിത്തിത്തൈ തിത്തൈ തകടൈ നെയ്തോ തിത്തിത്താറാ തിത്തിത്തൈ തിത്തൈ തകടൈ നെയ്തോ തിത്തിത്താറാ തിത്തിത്തൈ തിത്തൈ തകടൈ നെയ്തോ തിത്തിത്താറാ തിത്തിത്തൈ തിത്തൈ തകടൈ നെയ്തോ
Oh wow, the guitarist. Oh my god.
പുഴയോരത്താകെ തിങ്ങി വിങ്ങും തൂമേഘം പൂത്താലം തൂവാനം നെഞ്ചിൽ നാരവമായി പുഴയോരത്താകെ തിങ്ങി വിങ്ങും തൂമേഘം പൂത്താലം തൂവാനം നെഞ്ചിൽ നാരവമായി കുട്ടനാടിനോളങ്ങൾ പുഴയോരം നീളെ നീളെ ചായും തകളിത്തൈ മഴമേഘം നീളെ
drive song.
പുഴയോരം നീളെ നീളെ ചായും തകരത്തൈനാരോ മഴമേഘം നീളെ നീളെ ചാരും തകരൈനാരോ പൂവിളി പൂവിളി ആരവമായി കായലിലോളം തുള്ളും തെറ്റിത്താരാരെത്തിത്തൈ
Totally fascinated by the guitarist now. Even the drummer is amazing. That tabla sound. Woo! Speechless. I should totally react to the live one as well, because if the guitar break in the actual song is like this, imagine how, because the live one is 15 minutes long, that video. So I think there's going to be a huge guitar solo, there's going to be a drum solo as well, is what I feel in that live one. Oh my god, guys, I want to listen to that. I'm going to go back to that guitar. Oh, the second guitar, both the guitar breaks I loved, but the second one, wait. Towards the end. Whoever you are, and the combination. Just a bliss to my ears, man, just a bliss to my ears. And towards the end, the combination of that electric guitar, the drum and the tabla, just made it so beautiful. And his vocals are just so powerful. I love his vocals. I loved it in Mist of Capricorn also, and here also. Wow, this tune is now stuck in my head. Everything about this song is so beautiful. I love it. I love the rock. This is actual rock, and with the touch of that tabla, it just takes it to another level. I just love the beautiful classical twist that this song had. Also, everybody in the instruments, I'm absolutely appreciative of the drum, whoever is in the drums. The electric guitar one though is like another level. Him, the bass guitar, the tabla, everybody. Let me just see if I'm missing out on anybody. The pianist, of course, the pianist. So he's the tabla one, and he's also playing that another instrument. I do not know what that is. Okay, there are 3 guitarists. This is the this one is the bass guitarist, I think, the one in the black t-shirt. And these 2 are the lead. The lead guitarist, I think, is the one with the ponytail only. The pianist, the drummer, and of course the lead vocalist. Everybody's energy, synergy just made this song such a pleasure to listen to and watch. This is such a great drive song also. I feel it's gonna be when you are driving and just play this song, it's gonna be such a great mood lifter. Wow. Of course, this did not have the subtitles, so I do not know what it means. You can let me know. The boat song. Okay, I cannot even make a guess what that means also, the boat song. Okay, and such a different song from Mist of Capricorn, because that had such a different vibe, and this also had such a different vibe. And like I said, I had before starting this reaction that I have very high expectations. This has superseded my expectation. That's why I said I think I definitely should react to the live performance as well. Do let me know if I should just watch it or maybe do a reaction. I'll take in your take in your comments and your opinions on that. So yeah guys, that was my reaction to Agam's The Boat Song. This is so happy that this is the music that is coming out from our country. Oh my god, people should be listening, and people should be listening to this rather than all the crap remixes that are happening, which get so much attention, so much media attention and coverage, and these things don't get coverage. This breaks my heart, guys, just breaks my heart. Even I didn't know about this. Let me see how old this is. 2013. I just graduated. I just done my post-graduation, and I didn't know. So I found out now into 2021. Technically about Agam I found out in 2020, and I found out about them now, very recently, and it's only because of you guys, only because I opened the channel and I took in your suggestions. Otherwise I would have been also kept in the dark, huh? When it comes to exposure to music and movies, I feel this channel has done more for me than I could ever do for all of you who are watching this. So thank you, a big thank you to all of you. I am here because of you. That's it guys, that's it. So yeah guys, that was my reaction to The Boat Song by Agam. I'm really sorry about the background construction noise. Again, I apologize. I know it would be a little inconvenient when you're listening to that thuk playing in the background. So yeah guys, that's it from me today, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.